Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is World Youth Skills Day. World Youth Skills Day is celebrated every year on July 15. In 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared 15th July as World Youth Skills Day. It is celebrated to mark the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work, and entrepreneurship. This day was provided a unique opportunity for dialogue between various sections like young people, technical and vocational education and training, that is TVET, institutions, etc. In 2022, this day takes place amid concerted efforts towards socio-economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. Now let's know about role of TVET. Education and training are central to the achievement of the 2030 Agenda of Sustainable Development Goal, that is SDG. As SDG 4 talks about ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. TVET is expected to address the multiple demands of an economic, social, and environmental nature.